Hi, I'm Den.
I'm Sherry.
I'm Seiya.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Albert.
Welcome in Zambales. Did you know that Zambales is a province in the Philippines located in the Central Luzon region? And the capital is Iba with a population of 55,581 and 13 municipalities, 1 city, and 247 barangays. Residents are called Sambal. The primary language is Sambali with a Tagalog and Ilocano. And our first destination is Mount Pinatubo. Mount Pinatubo are located in the tri-point of Zambales, Tarlac, and Pampanga in Luzon. The elevation of this mount is 4,875 feet. Mount Pinatubo is known for the world's largest volcanic eruption. My co-tourists tell you more about in Mount Pinatubo.
So how you can go there? We can go there using land transportation, hop on a bus going to Capas, Tarlac, via any major bus terminal in Manila, Cubao, or Pasay. It must depends on which is closest to where you are staying. You also have the option to ride buses with routes going to Baguio, Ilocos, or Pangasinan and tell the conductor you're getting off at Santa Juliana in Capas. So once you're there, you can choose to ride a tricycle or a jeepney as long as it's going to Santa Juliana Tourism. There you will have to pay necessary environmental fees and then they will assist you in booking your 4x4 in the Philippines that will take you closer to the mountain.
Let's proceed to the activities in Mount Pinatubo. You can hike to the top of the mountain and see the beautiful and amazing view. And the fees depend on you because we offered a budget tour. Price very depending on the number of people in the group, but can start at 1,000 pesos per person. The tour may include a 4x4 vehicle and local mountain guide. And we also offer a overnight package. Price can start at around 4,000 per person. This package includes 2 days and 1 night camping and may include activities like stargazing and swimming at waterfalls.
If you want the best experience, there's an activity that fulfill your wishes. We have ATV rides that you can rent to go in some places of Mount Pinatubo. Then after the tiring experience in activities, if you want to relax, we have a special spa town in Mount Pinatubo. It's made of volcanic ash. It's like a natural spa. It was relaxing and a good way to soothing your sore muscles, and the fee is 500 pesos per head, but you can get it all 3 at 1,000 pesos.
And if you're looking for another exciting activities, here are the one of the beautiful place you are looking for. Arizona Beach Resort. Arizona Beach Resort have long been popular for their clean, calm, and serene environment, making them attractive to both locals and tourists. Arizona Beach Resort, like many of resorts in the area, has catered to these visitors by providing beachfront accommodation and a variety of recreation activities.
So the distance between Mount Pinatubo to Arizona Beach Resort is 33.9 kilometers. And the travel hour is 2 hours. The offerings in Arizona Beach Resorts are 24-hour front desk, service van, private beach, shuttle service, and free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Free breakfast, pets allowed, car park, swimming pool, indoor, and of course the hotel fee is 2,139.
And if you're looking for activities, we have water activities. Take a splash, ride with our banana boat, and turn your beach day into an unforgettable adventure. The fee in a banana boat ride is 250 per person. And of course, we have an inflatable floating playground and the fee is 350 per head. you can enjoy it with your friends and family. And if you want a thrilling experience, we have a jet skiing that the fee is 2,500 per hour. So you can enjoy and explore the ocean waters.
However, we also have island hopping, where you can witness different types of fish and coral. And as for the fee, for island hopping, it depends on if there are many of you. Because if you are in 6 packs, it costs 2,699 pesos. If you want to try the mangrove tour, it only costs 500 pesos to 1,500 pesos per person. And you will definitely not regret what you paid because you will see different views and nature everywhere you go. You will definitely be able to relax you and will reduce your stress in life.
After the tiring experience, you can relax at the most famous hotel here in Subic. Let me introduce to you the Mango Valley Hotel, where you can sit back and relax. Mango Valley Hotel, here in Subic, is a budget-friendly hotel that has become a popular choice for travelers visiting the area. While specific historical details are not widely documented, the hotel has been part of the growing hospitality sector in Subic Bay.
Let me show you around this hotel. Here is the Sabresa Cafe Deli Pizza. Here is their simple lobby but clean. And their staffs are accommodating. They have elevator as well. I want to be on 5th floor so I can see more view outside. And here's the view from 5th floor.
So let's proceed to the rooms. We have a standard room with a loft. This includes a flat screen TV with Netflix, YouTube, and also free Wi-Fi with air conditioner so you can sleep well. And we have a mini fridge. If you want to have some coffee or tea, we have an electric kettle. And this is your queen size bed. It's very comfortable. And let's proceed to the bathroom. And this is the bathroom. Clean and has comfortable space. And we have a cold and hot shower. Also provided toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and bath towel. And if you want to dry your hair, we have hair dryer. And let's proceed to the loft bed. This is a double bed size. The fee for this room is 2,850. This is good for 2 and maximum of 4 packs. And for the extra packs is 800. And this included a free breakfast. Hear the view from your room.
And let's proceed to the buffet area. This is buffet area. We have served many dishes, so you can eat whatever you want. After that, this is the beach, 3 minutes away from the hotel. Sometimes it is good to see a place like this. It's relaxing and refreshing mind.